Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 8000 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to open the list of apps and now let's find the settings. Let's enter them. Here we have to go to the right in order to find personalization. Now let's tap on the display. Let's pick the display and select the wallpaper. And as you can see here, we've got 3 different albums, 3 different options from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from the gallery, from the camera, so your device will open the camera app, and from the defaultly installed wallpapers. So let me pick something from those options. So let me select it. And as you can see here, we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. So let me pick this one, for example, just mark it and tap on this select button or tap on save here. And as you can see here, we had the information that the changes has been saved. So let's go back and check. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been changed successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Nokia 8000. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.